guys, welcome back to my channel, and now I'm back again with another video install. And yes guys, today I'll be installing the Perrin cold air intake, and this is also the Perrin inlet tube. And yes, I got both of these for 200 U's. What do you guys think? Did I got a ripoff or was it a deal? You know, let me know in the comment below. And yes guys, this is carb legal, alright? I do have the carb legal sticker, so this is carb legal. And yes guys, let's hop into the video. Alright, wait. Before we start the video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe button, you know. Make sure to check out my channel. If you like pretty decent content, consider subscribing. Alright guys, let's hop into the video for real now. Alright guys, so for the first step for the Perrin cold air intake, you're gonna have to take out your front bumper. So there's like these bolts right here on the front and clips, and there's these two clips on the side markers, one on that side and one on this side, and there should be some few clips down there, and your front bumper should come right off. Alright guys, so once you got your front bumper off, it should be fairly easy. It should just be this bolt right here, this bolt right here, this bolt right here, this bolt right here, and the clamp right there. And for your sound tube that connects to your passenger side, there should be a bolt right here, and then a bolt right here, and then it connects to this line right here. Alright guys, so once you take off your stock air intake and your sound tube, it should look exactly like this. Make sure to don't damage your sensor, and I don't know what this thing is, but don't damage none of those. But yes guys, it should just be plug and play now for the Perrin. Alright guys, so I finally got everything fit. And come closer guys, so like as you guys can see right here, like this thing, it was like super hard to like put like this tube in. So I have to like take these two bolts up and like lift this thing up hella hard. But it does fit guys, and I tighten it everything up, and then this clearance right here is like almost touching the belt right here. Sorry guys, it's kind of hard to like see, but like right here guys, bam, it's like hella hard. So the previous owner like actually like, you know, like I don't know what he did, but like the belt kind of like melted like this part, so it should be good. It has enough clearance. And now let's just get started on turning on the car. Alright guys, so right now everything is set. We already turned it on. Sounds great. But now let's just put on the front bumper back on, and let's go for a test drive and let's see how it feels guys. Alright guys, so I finally got the front bumper off, but guys, come look at the engine bay guys. Like bro, if like I get pulled over and they pop the hood and I live in Cali, look at this part guys. Look at this part. Boom. State ref, boy. But man, it is what it is. I mean, the air intake is carb legal, but it's all good guys. Let's pray for me not to get pulled over guys. So let's see what's up. Alright guys, so this is my first impression of driving this thing with the air intake. Let's see any different. Okay. Let's let the car warm up a little bit more before I give it a little bit more gas. Alright, so the car is like warmed up. Let's see. I can feel the difference guys. It's not a huge difference, but it's like to the point where like, you know, this is crazy guys. This is super crazy. Alright guys, so as you guys can hear from the sound clips, I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but I can actually hear it a little bit more because I guess there's like no sound tube going through like the cabin, so, and I guess it's just like direct like airflow to like the engine, so I guess there's like a little bit more air, and I can feel a difference, guys. I can definitely tell a big difference, just like my TRD air intake on my black FRS, and now I can like technically feel it. Like if you have like the inlet tube with like the intake, you can feel a difference. I feel the difference, guys. I feel like more throttle response and everything. Probably like 5 more horsepower as the description that Gt86 they put. But anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and if you guys did, smash the like button and subscribe. You know, if you guys like this type of content, make sure to comment down below and like, so I don't know, you know what I'm saying. But yes guys, make sure to check out my channel. If I make pretty decent content, consider subscribing. And yes guys, I'll catch you on another video. So dream big and inspire.